Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for the FITTER 2020 and a mechanical engineering students. In isometric projection, the problem number 3, draw an isometric projection of a circular lamina on a 60 mm diameter when it is placed in the surface of vertical and horizontal. This is a 4-centric method. One more method they have given like this in the same problem. B. Problem number 3. 4-centric method. Then method of point, how to using a point. I have been referred the book from the fundamental of a drawing, K.R. Gopalakrishnan. Okay, see in the circle I already drawn in the previous class, then it has taken the point, so we have to take the one more points like this from a 4. They have given here. I'll show you how to draw in circle. Okay, after that I'll mention everything. This is a one more method, isometric projection for circular. One more method has been method of points. Okay, the method of points. So method of a point, the given, draw one axis line like this. After that they get taken 30° and 30°, so that keep one point somewhere here and here, take 30°, take 30°. Okay, after that the diameter has been given 60, so that you take 30 in the middle, then 40, 50, 60. Draw a projection line like this. Take 60. Here also 60, middle 30. 60 and 30. Take 60, 60. So the drawing will come very neatly. 30 middle, and 30 in the middle. Join like this. This and all the axis line and the projection line. Join like this. Okay, you will get here also 30° and here also 30°. So we need a point. By using compass, first name the parts A, B, C, D, so that A, B, C and D. After that you will get a point. Very easy and simple. In the previous what we have taken here, see from B, D, so same procedure here also. So I will get like this. After that we have to take a point. So the point has been cutted here, so you'll get a point like this, like this. Okay, then simply cut an arc. Okay, so you will get a point here. One, this point, this is the point. This is be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this will be the point, 8 point. This is a point method, so you can draw like this also. Same procedure for B, D. So the drawing will come like this. This is the point, where the point has to be taken. This is the 1, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You will get 8 points. So this is called as a method of pointing. Okay, this is the second method of pointing. Then draw one simple axis line, take one middle point, keep here in the middle 30 and 30 degree. Okay, same procedure, take 60 degree, take 30 mm and 60 mm in the middle 30, using a projection line. So it will come like this. This will be the A, this will be the B, C and D. Okay, this will be the 1, so the circle will join like this. This is the point 1, this is the point 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is a method of pointing. If you have any doubt, please, this is the one more method of point. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. My channel name is MR Engineering Drawing for the FITTER 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. This is a method of points. Thank you.